Today I received my new pair of Maglierapelle Myra shoes. This is the cover of the shoes. Cover of the shoebox. Comes with a very nice shoe horn. A shoe bag for 2 shoes. Nice wrapping. This is what I've been waiting for.
Wow.
Wow. Gorgeous shoes.
Beautiful. You look like a gangster.
Look at beautiful soles with the beautiful nails all around it. Very tapered rubber here. Beautiful heels.
Matching pair?
And what is this?
Buffer.
And a little buffer.
There's something else in there.
Oh, just the paper. So there is my beautiful Myra Maglierapelle shoes, and I can't wait to put them on.